Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope that you guys are having an awesome day. So I want to bring a quick DIY video to you. Y'all know how y'all finding these fedora hats and you getting them offline. And as you could see, this particular fedora hat as well as this fedora hat does not have a band on it. And for me, that looks so tacky and kind of cheap just to have it like this. So guys, I went to my local fabric store and I got ribbon, just like how they would do the ribbon on the hat. See, like my hat right here already has it on there. So basically, I'm taking my hot glue gun and I am going to add a ribbon to this. See how boring it look? Now just look. When you take this ribbon and add it to it, see how nice that look? That looks 100% better than just without. So this is really simple, really easy. I'm going to take the ribbons and I'm using my hot glue gun. I think it's heated up enough. I got some scissors. And you guys, if you buying these fedoras and they don't come with a ribbon and if you feel like they look tacky, cheesy, you can zazz it up. And if you want the chain going around, the feathers, all that, you can do all that yourself. So I'm just going to take a little bit of glue right here to start the chain. And bring it all the way down, real simple. So get the first piece good. And then I'm just going to take it around. But yeah, I didn't like how that looked. So I was like, oh my goodness, it just looked so cheap. I didn't care for it. Don't pull it tight, guys. Lay it around there nice and neat. I was like, that just looks so cheap. I got to do it right. Take your time, guys, and do it right. Because if it's not done right, it's not going to look right. And I don't know, every time I do like videos and you're trying to get something on camera, it always seems like it mess up. So I might actually have to get off camera and take my time. But that's all I'm doing, guys, is putting this ribbon onto this hat. And I'm going to take my time and do it right. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other. So when you go to Joann's, just get a yard of ribbon, whatever ribbon you desire, and take your time with a hot glue gun or E6000 if you don't have a hot glue gun, and put it on there. And your hair will look a lot more better. It won't look so cheesy, cheap, and boring. The ribbon really does makes a difference. I definitely think so. The ribbon really does make a difference. So guys, I'm not gonna run up no more space. That's what I'm gonna do. I just want to give you guys that quick, easy tip. Make your fedoras, put your ribbon around it, or feathers, or chains, or whatever. And Joann Fabric and Hobby Lobby got all the trinkets that you guys can do. Toodles!